Extreme heat is the biggest threat to your hydraulics. As temperatures climb, the fluid thins and machines begin to work harder. This excavator can lose lifting power today. Don't let slow cycles bring your work performance to a complete standstill. Maintenance is cheaper than a failed hydraulic pump. First, deep clean the radiator core thoroughly. Dust and dirt block airflow effectively, trapping heat inside the space. Blow out the debris carefully using compressed air for safety. A thermal camera effectively reveals hot spots as well as blockages. Now, let's check your hydraulic fluid health. Healthy hydraulic oil should look and smell clean and fresh. Dark or burnt oil loses its protective viscosity and can harm the engine. A system flush effectively removes grit similar to fine sandpaper. Keep the system sealed under heavy pressure. Inspect seals thoroughly for any cracks that may be caused by extreme heat. A small leak can greatly reduce system performance. Test the pressure to ensure that the equipment is at peak operating power. Operate smarter during these hot July days. Keep an eye on your dashboard gauges and respond promptly when needed. Park your vehicle in the shade and embrace smart idle times. Allow the system to cool down sufficiently before resuming work. Regular clean, inspect, and test to ensure optimal productivity. TYPHON equipment remains prepared for the upcoming August heat. Like and subscribe for more helpful maintenance tips.